Well, it's the same Manchester United team which started against Club America. That means Memphis Depay gets another chance to play just behind Wayne Rooney. Morgan Schneiderlin scored the winner against Club America, a great way. San Jose Earthquakes have been stuck in a rut, and this could be the inspirational game they need to get going again, playing against Manchester United. Mattia Perez-Garcia is one to watch as he floats around looking to cause United problems. Quincy Amarikwa scored 2 goals against LA Galaxy last week, while Jordan Stewart continues. It rolls into California, and they face San Jose Earthquakes of the MLS, a team which is dipped in form. Manchester United not here to be a shoulder to cry on. They've got business to take care of with their eyes on the brand new Premier League season. Huge roar around this tight stadium in San Jose as Manchester United get the ball rolling. Chance to run, Rooney ahead of him. It's Memphis Depay. Rooney. This now is Juan Mata. Side netting. But Memphis Depay showing just what he can do.
He's desperate.
Swept forward by Alash. Chance here for a win to try and cause Manchester United problems, but that was soon stopped.
His first touch let him down there, Win. He's sure to come back and get a really decent challenge in.
There's Carrick. Depay. Ashley Young.
It's a nothing ball.
To get a world-class player at the peak of his powers to move to the US.
Exactly. That's the next major step.
There's Juan Mata. Young. Shaw on the outside again. Luke Shaw and by Bingham.
Again, Manchester United getting really good areas and just cannot produce anything like a final. He's a little bit tight.
Rooney finding Darmian. There's Juan Mata. Mata wants it back. Darmian gets to it. Now it's Juan Mata looking to squeeze it back. It's Darmian once more and smashed away by Clarence Goodson. Now it's Juan Mata. It's Mata. The Depay tries to stick out the boots. Well, who claims that? Mata sent it goalwards. Depay took a swing at it. Whoever got the final touch, whether it's Mata or Depay, Manchester United have turned on the power.
Look who's there. Depay and Rooney, that's all.
Well, Depay is going to latch on to that. Now that is definitely his. San Jose Earthquakes playing themselves into trouble, and Manchester United cashed in.
Well, you cannot afford to do that against the Manchester United team with the ability.
Now it's Win. Win once more, Salinas. It's done well. It's an end product here, Salinas. San Jose Earthquakes do make an impact, and it's Alashi who fires them back into this game.
Salinas absolutely brilliant there. That would have been a Manchester United player, would have been raving about it. He was different class there. Backed himself with his ability. Tight little area. He does absolutely brilliantly. Just onside, they switch off a little bit here, Manchester United. There, goes down the tight little area, pulls it back brilliantly, which is what United hadn't been doing. That's caught out there. It's a ability of the highest class there to get around that tight area, produce the final ball.
Something for the home fans to cheer. Jose with a foothold in this game now.
Van Gaal will be really disappointed with that.
Luke Shaw. This is Juan Mata. Blocked by Goodson.
United claiming a penalty there. Just United.
Final attack of the half. And that is the end of a lively first half in California. Manchester United have taken the fight to San Jose Earthquakes, and Louis van Gaal's team got their rewards for the first goal. Juan Mata sent it goalwards. Depay swung a boot at it. Mata claiming the goal to put United in front. Depay definitely got the second. And the San Jose Earthquakes made a huge...
Keep on your toes.
David De Gea, what's his future, I wonder? Still not fit to take part yet. Could play, though, against Barcelona. It's Pereira, who was out on the pitch for Manchester United. A real talent. They were afraid of losing him, but he did sign a new contract last season.
He was very impressive against Club America when he came on.
Tommy Thompson's now on the pitch for San Jose Earthquakes, the first homegrown player and a real talent as well. Making headlines in the MLS. United caught out there. There's an opportunity. Ron Pelosi with the season on loan at Derby County. Pereira to move this short, but not what he was intending. Now the break on for San Jose Earthquakes. Look for the equaliser in this game. It takes a clip off Johnny Evans. Blackett, Mancunian. Andreas Pereira. Blackett once more. It's Pereira. Comfortable for Bingham.
Hopeful from that distance. That's what we're striving for over there, and you just hope they reach those targets.
San Jose do from this. Sheridan was in the middle. Lingard, McNair. Pereira's in the middle! And the Manchester United youngster steps up and delivers. They have big, big hopes for him, and that is why.
Beautifully created, based on instinct there. That's instinctive, to burst into the box when you know a ball's coming in. You've got to stay in that position. You've got to be in that.
To Sheridan. Touch. Thompson with that touch. And a chance here. And smashed over the bar by Mark Pelosi.
Best moment of the second half. Just really went for too much power there instead of taking a little bit off it. At least hit the target. Sheridan does well there to lay it off. Lovely little flick there. Poor challenge, you have to say. This a decent strike, but just too much power. Take a little bit. Those sort of players we've just mentioned, they should never be forgotten, because that gave.
The keeper's lost it again, and Chris Smalling couldn't cash in.
There he is again. Wants it. Needs that ball.
He's found Wilson, and Wilson is onside here, and it was stolen away from him, but again, the vision of Bastian Schweinsteiger. Although that set piece easily dealt with. Manchester United box office wherever they go, and they are the leading men in California as they swat away San Jose Earthquakes. Juan Mata claiming the first goal. Depay had a swing at it, and they well claim it too. Depay made it 2-0. That was definitely his after a mistake at the back by San Jose. A lash just before the break. 4-1 back for the Earthquakes. But then young Andreas Pereira heading home to make sure that victory was Manchester United's.
Yeah, you look for improvement in every game you play pre-season. The first one wasn't overly good, but this was an improvement.
So the final score in San Jose in California, Manchester United 3, San Jose Earthquakes.